Hey, welcome everybody. Brian from T-Sportline with our DIY wrap on the Cybertruck series. And the truck is pretty much wrapped now. We are going to the tailgate. This is the last piece we're going to do on the back side. Now, on our truck, we have a T-Sportline vinyl decal applied because we're going to emboss that. We're going to wrap right over it. It gives us a really cool 3D look. You can get these from T-Sportline if you want one. Otherwise, the wrap process is going to be exactly the same. I've got the truck back up in extract mode to give me the extra height. So we'll be working around at this level. Let's go ahead and put this film on next. Just like the other panels, first we'll roll out the vinyl and place the magnets in the corners. We need to notch the backing of the film here so we can check our corners are properly aligned. Put tape across the top and bottom of the vinyl about halfway across the tailgate for our hinge. Then, remove the magnets from the left side and peel the vinyl from the backing. If you are starting to feel pretty comfortable with the process, you may choose to work in slightly larger segments than we have so far. Lightly lay the film across the panel and open the tailgate slightly to align and stick the top corner. Next, squeegee from our cut line out towards the edge until all of the exposed film is stuck down. After finishing the far left side, we can remove the tape from our hinge. Roll the film back up to our cut line and start removing the backing. Then slowly squeegee out the rest of the panel. If you decided to go for the embossed look, press down around the underlying logo to sharpen the edges. Finish squeegeeing the film tightly over the top and bottom body lines of the tailgate. Heat up the entire tailgate and check for any bubbles under the film. Finally, heat up the edges of the film and tightly fold them over the end of the panel. And just like that, the tailgate is done. Wow, this thing looks amazing. Congratulations at home with your DIY wrap of your Cybertruck. You should be very proud that you did this. I'm sure it looks amazing. Now, make sure you show your friends, show your neighbors, drive around town. Be very proud of what you did. It's not all that easy, but you were able to do it at home. I'm sure it looks great. Ours looks amazing. We're going to take it outside and get some photos. So thanks again for following along. I'm glad you learned how to wrap your Cybertruck with T-Sportline. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of Cybertruck content coming up. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. Drop a comment below. Let us know, what color did you choose? How did yours turn out? Give us some feedback. We like that. All right, everybody. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video the next time you buy something from T-Sportline and want to upgrade your Cybertruck.